Right, Myriad. Myriad. So, we had an issue. Well, I think we had 2 issues, didn't we? What did we have? Oh, yeah. The pod was not destroying, and the bricks don't destroy on black. Now, I wanted to check the original Myriad game to see if the bricks do destroy on black. So let's fire it up, shall we? And let's see. Oh, does that mean I've got to get to level 8 without dying? Oh dear, this is going to be fun. I'm going to die. Oh, all this practicing. Ooh. Whoa, that's not nice. I was after those gold reflectors. Oh, how did I get through that gap? Ah. Level 6. Come on. Come on, John. You know what to do in this game. He's invincible. I was. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Right. Cool, their bullets are fast. Right, let's get rid of... Oh, no! Come on. That's it, here we go. Oh, you are joking me. I cannot play this game. Drop a builder. Come on. There we go. I shot that. I'm going to have to get the joystick out. Oh, we've got a brick. Right. Let's kill everything. Kill everything. Kill everything. Oh. Right, we've got a brick. We have a brick. We have a... Oh, you were joking. Come on. Oh, no. Right, I'm going to have to use the video. Oh, I suppose we can cheat. Hang on. Can we cheat? Let's cheat. Current... Here we go. Current wave. Ooh. Oh, we're alright. We've got it all sorted now, haven't we? So let me... There we go. Let's do that. Hopefully we ain't broken it. Right, here we go. That's it, that's all. Oh, come on! He's too stupid. Drop a builder. Just drop a builder. Where are you going? Oh, come on. Right. There we go. Right. So we've got some bricks. So let's see. So, right, we're going to do this one. Here we go. 1, 2. Oh, look, black explodes. So it does explode on black. Better ask Mrs. OSK for some help. So the original game does explode on black. Right. So it's actually part of the game. Question is, do we want it to do that, or do we want when it goes black that's it? Go on, I'll give you guys the choice. Oh, not one of those, mate. No, I wouldn't buy one. I've got one down here anyway. I got a Competition Pro USB and I wouldn't buy that. Those were rubbish. Yeah, it was clicky. You wanted the one with the micro switches in. They didn't have micro switches, did they? You know, our top fire button doesn't work. But yeah, I need to get my joystick out. Yeah, I've got a Competition Pro in here. In fact, I've got 2 Competition Pros in here. I've got that one. But that's USB, so I can play on the emulator. And then I've got that one with a proper end on it. So yeah. Ooh, what are you? I found a cable I didn't know I had. Oh, USB A to C. Okay. Finding cables all over the place. Right. You got 2 USB, yeah. Yes, they were. Right, so, do we want the bricks to explode when they go black, or do we want to keep it as it is, where they explode when they're black, yeah? So you got to hit them in black. Because if you want them to explode when they go black, then we'll boost the colour at one. So it's cyan. So what's the next colour on cyan? It's green, isn't it, or blue? Hit them in black. So you want it to be as it is now, that they get destroyed when they're black, yeah? Is that what you're saying? But you can't see the black. I think that's the point. That if you move into them, you would die. I think that's the point. I think that's the point he did it. Is that you may think they've gone, but they're not. It's dark energy or dark matter. Yeah? I think that's the point he did it. Is to make you think that they're not there. Alright, we'll keep them black. But what we might do is, where's the colours? Because they are cyan to start with, and I'm just wondering if we should boost them to be the next colour along. Where's the colours? What's the next colour along? Purple. You know, start them off as purple. Then you've got to hit them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits before they get destroyed. At the moment they're 4 hits. Oh, I don't know. We'll leave it as this moment. But I think it was done by design. So we'll take that out. Yeah? We'll take that out. So there's not a problem there. The problem is the pods don't destroy. The pods don't die. They don't. So we've done something stupid in here. So it must be this. It must be this. So because that's sending. Well, I mean that's doing the asteroids as well, but we haven't got the 4x4, the 2x2 asteroids in there yet. So let's put a breakpoint here. Oh, am I screen? Oh, I'm not live sharing. Hang on. Right, for my patron peeps, here is the link to the source code. Hey Pluck, I see you've just joined my Discord. Welcome. Right, link is in the Patreon channel and Twitch channel, so if you want to join, please do so. Right, let's find out if it gets fired. Ooh. That's me messing around, sorry. Oh, it's in scoring, wasn't it? Yeah, that's me. Right. So, let's see if we can kill this thing. Yeah, it's not firing. It is not there we go. Right, let's hit it then. Does that destroy it? No, it doesn't. But it's not picking it up. And I can't hit the toffee. Right, so it's hitting the breakpoint, but it's not destroying the ship. Right. So it's hitting the breakpoint, but it's not destroying the ship. So we know that it's coming through here. We know it's coming through here. So, okay. Here, player button. Hey, no. Right. So we clear the cell and then we go to there. Let's find out what are we doing wrong. So it's still screen X and screen Y. That's a point. Oh, hang on. Hit object left. Hit object right. So if we hit the left hand side, That's that. So we need to go up one. And if we're at the right hand side, we need to go across one and then up one. Right, okay. Because we're always going to hit the bottom, yeah? But for some reason, we are not clearing out the pod. And I'm wondering why. So we're going to kill bad guy, and update score. So that's here. So we empty out the oh, hang on. That's why. That's why. Oh, hang on. Oh, is it? No, because we test screen X, I think. We test screen X. Locate an array. We're testing screen X. Yeah, we're comparing screen X and screen Y. That's okay. Okay, so it's not that. OSK's in there. In where? Right, so identify what the element is. Oh, the search of results above. Oh, I see. Oh yeah, I'm there. Wow, I'm fourth. I am fourth in the list. Nice. Shallan's second in the list. Who's this dude? Oh, C64 brain. Well, there's me. Would you believe it? Twitch Season 1, Episode 3. Cool, that was a long time ago. Internet famous, yeah. Internet famous. Right. So we need to put a breakpoint here, right? Because I think what's happening is it's going through, it's picked up that we've hit the character, but I don't think it's finding it. Yeah, time flies. Yeah, definitely. As Mrs. OSK found out yesterday on her first stream. Right. Let's see if we can see if this breaks, yeah? See if this breaks. Right. Oh, so it is breaking. So it's definitely right. Okay, so it's definitely found. It's definitely found the pod. So it's coming here. So it's definitely found the pod. Right. So we're updating the score. Element was not destroyed. Oh, I wonder if it's something to do with that. On the pods, are we setting that we destroy it? Yes, we are. Right, we'll put a breakpoint here. Back. Deep purple. I don't think you meant to have a space in there, mate. I don't. Try it without the space. Try Iron Maiden. Oh, okay. Let me do it for you. Let me do it for you. No, it's not a proper colour. It's not a proper colour. God, yeah. Can you imagine all the colours here? Dark purple. So we're talking a real deep purple like that. Something like that, yeah? There you go. That's the colour. Let's do that. You what? Oh, and I can't spell back colour for toffee. Oh, it's not doing it, is it? It's not doing. Oh, hang on. There we go. Yeah, you could use RGB. I mean, it's just... let's just make sure. Right, let's pick another... That one. That's a darker one, yeah? Should be able to use RGB. There you go, it's gone dark a lot. So you can pick any web, as long as it's a proper RGB colour, you'll do it. So there's dark. I mean, there's a dark. Let's go with that colour. There we go. 3-3. There you go. More red. But yeah, so you can do it. But there's a 10-minute calm down on it. Right, so we're going to put a break point in. Let's get back here. So we've put a break point in and we're going to check. We're going to check to see if it does, because it needs to convert it. It needs to convert it to an alien. So let's put a break in there, because I'm just wondering if it's not being converted. Yeah. So let's do that. Right, where are you? Well, it's there. So this should... Right. So this is loading. Oh, hang on. I think I may know what the problem is. I think I know what the problem is. Because we do this convert here, yeah? Let's get it up on the other side. Where's aliens? Is that in there? So aliens explosion. Convert. So we are, yes, we are converting it there. Then we update the array. Alright. and then we're doing the explosion insert, which is doing a copy, I think. No, it's not. So where was the copy doing? Must have been this. Why is it still there? Let's have a look. Let's go to the memory. So 9,000. That's where the memory is. Right. So here is our pod. I think this one here. I think that's our pod. So let's just kill some dudes. Where's that builder? Get rid of him. Try and get rid of some of these so we can see who it is. Oh, you're putting them on faster than I can get rid of them. Right. So we should have just one, which is the first one, yeah? So here we go. It didn't change it to F, did it? Oh, builder got in the way. Right, it's changed it. It's changed it to F. Right, let's do that again. Let's try and kill it before anything happens. Right. No, it is not dying. Right, so we've got a problem that it's not clearing out it's setting the debris, but then it's not clearing itself out. So the thing is, it's supposed to be converting it to an explosion, but it doesn't seem to be doing that. So we'll stick a breakpoint there. Because it should be converted. There, the port's going alright. It's just we're having a few bugs that we've introduced. Oops. Right, so we're trying to see. So I'm gonna hit it and get it to break. Right, here we go. There it is. Right, let's go. Right, so this is our fella there, I think. No, this one should be it. That one's it. Column 20. That's about there, isn't it? That's 32. So that's definitely that one there. And that should be converted into FF. That's what that, or well, to be honest, that should be converted into. Right, the pods are 8, aren't they? The pods are 8. So if that's X, Y, color, type, it's set. It's set to FF. So load 59, it's 20. Yeah, it's not set it. What's the type? 11. Type 11. So it is setting it to an explosion. Right, okay. So it is setting it to an explosion. Oh, that's setting up the debris. So this is the debris. By the way, the gambling should be working. I checked it after last stream. Should be working. Right. So it's definitely converting it. So we know that bit's working. So it's converting it, adds to the array, inserts that. And then sets the carry. So when we come back, oh, hang on. Alien EXP insert. Maybe it is lowercase I, or is it invert word? I'm not sure what it's saying. I don't know why the gamble's not working. Can't spell gamble. There you go. Why is the gamble working for me but not for you guys? Try it again, Mikroman. Maybe maybe there's a limit on how much. Hang on. Let me just check. Oh, there's a maximum limit. Hang on. Let me just change it. Right. There was a maximum limit. I've just upped it. Try now. Try original number, mate. 64738. There you go. Oh, I got a new patron. I have a new patron. I have a new patron. Hey, is that C64 Plum doing that? Because it's not. That's not his name. If it is. But yeah, I have a new patron. Right. So, why is the pod not destroying? Let's think this through. It should be destroyed here, but we can't destroy it just yet because we need to test for it. But we've identified what it is. Maybe. Because it does. What's different about the pod versus other things that do die? Well, the pods are 2x2, aren't they? Sorry, yeah, 2x2. So we have to clear out. But what's happening is it's not clear. It's not clearing it out. Because the draw routing would look and then draw the 2x2. But right, let's run it. I've took the breakpoint out, so we'll run it again, yeah? But we'll run it in slow-mo. Yeah, there's the asteroid, but we haven't put the asteroids in yet. That's the other 2x2 that dies, right? So, oh, I keep hitting the wrong button. Let's get rid of them. So we're going to slow it down, yeah? Right, here we go. What? Oh, where's it going? Where's it going? Come on. Right. Oh. See, it's done the explosion. It's done the explosion, but the pod's still moving. Look. The explosion's done, but the pod is still moving. And to be honest, the bullet is still going as well. Can you see the bullet? So we haven't fixed the bullet problem. So I think there's a problem with the bullet and the pod are clashing. Because yeah, see, I'm just wondering, because this is where we convert it into the explosion, yeah? So we identify what it is. Right, what's the end result of the identification? So we do the local, we find it. Right, let's do the find. If I can find it. I really ought to reorganize this in alphabetical order. Right. So it's looking at the element's X position, yeah? Is it the same as the position that we've got? The Y position, is that the same? Yes, it is. Does it... Active character test. So we load from the array, yeah? Oh, I thought it was going to show us then, but it's not. So that puts it in the element array, yeah? Now we've copied the element array for the bullet, so that's stored temporarily away. And then we... Yeah, because that's why we adjust. Yeah. Yeah, that's why we adjust here. So if we hit the bottom, right, so the pod's here, right? If we hit the bottom left-hand side, so that is that side, yeah, we go to the object left, and the object left just says decrease Y because that's where it draws at that point. But if we hit the right hand side, then it goes to the right, which then decreases X and then decreases Y to give us that spot. So we should be in the right place. Yeah, we should be in the right place. And it is identifying it because it's coming back. The problem is it's like we've got a ghost. It's like we've got a ghost in somewhere. Element array current index. So that's what is brought back into locate. So we load it and then that's put into element array current index. Yeah, it's explosions top left, and you can see that when we had it in slow-mo. So we know we've identified it, right? So it puts it in our temporary array. We load that. We convert. See, I don't know why we're doing that. No idea why we're doing that. I think that's been left over. Do we use X at all? No. No. So I don't know why that's there. So we've updated the score. We've come back and said it's the carry set. So we need to do this. Sets the conversion, updates the array, which should. That's why we need that line in. Let me put it back in. Element current array. So that's definitely the one that we've picked out. Element current index array. Yeah. Element current index array. But we'll put that there because that's when it's used. So we load the current index array, which is the one that it's picked out. Then we update the array and then we fire off the... I'm just wondering if it's that LDX was in the wrong place. Let's just try it. Let's just try it. Right, what speed are we running at? Right. Did you see that? It actually, hang on. Did you see that? It actually got rid of it. So it clears it out. Right. So we've definitely got an issue. Definitely got an issue. Oh, this is going to be fun trying to figure this one out. What are we converting? What are we converting? We should be converting the element to be explosion. So why is it not doing it? So that's setting the screen X and Y, which I don't know why, because that's what we're testing. I don't know why, but that's what we're testing. I mean, it's setting the X direction to be 0 and the X direction 0, Y direction 1. Why are we setting Y direction to be 1 as well? And then setting it anyway. Okay, so the explosion center, carry to explosion center, and we set the type. Store it in there, update the array, and it's the element array, so it's definitely doing the update. So we'll put a breakpoint there and we'll just follow it through, because I want to see what's going on. Then we'll put another breakpoint here, because I don't want to run through that. I just want to check that the explosion is, to check that the explosion is setting the right element in the array. That's what I want to check. Yeah. Right. So we'll make it slow so we can see what's going on. So according to this, we have got 3 items on the screen, and we have and trust me to pick the wrong button. Come on shield. There we go. Right, let's get rid of that. Oh, went straight through it. There we go. Right. Right, here we go. Boom. Right. So, HSP. So we should be modifying this one. We should be modifying that one. So that's doing the conversion to type 11. Then we load the array, which is 2D. Oh, 2D. That's over here. That's 2D there. Okay, load 59, which is 16. 2A, which is 5. A, which is a colour. 5D, that's the character, it's the explosion character. .5E is direction, explosion, and where's that going to put it? He's putting it in the wrong place. He's putting it in the wrong place. Because pod is type 7, yeah? Pod is type 7. And here, type 7 is there. So it's finding the wrong thing. It's finding the wrong thing. Oh, press the space bar. Yeah, I'm just gonna... Right. That's just hit a mine. Let the virus get out of the way. Right. Now we've hit it, right? We've hit it. So alright mate, we'll see you a bit. So let's sort this out. Right, so that's converted it. So we load 7C, which is the index. 2D, it's gone to 2D again. What's at 2D? That's there. Why is it going to 2D? There. But two... Right, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4. So where's... There we go, 7. It should be that one. It should be 32. That's this. Oh, look, it's the same number. Right, okay. So 18's the same number. Where's Y? Y is going to be here. 31, 30, 2E, 2F, 2E, 2D. Oh, that's got the same. It must be dropping something at the same time. So hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4 in. 1, 2, 3, 4 in. What's A? A mine. It must have dropped a mine. Must have dropped a mine at exactly the same point. We'll let it run on. We'll let it run on. And see if we can definitely get it. Right, get it past the asteroid. Now. Right, there's nothing around. Okay. So we've got we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 items on the screen. So we've got the pod. 9. What's 9? 9 is a brick. So that's that brick there. 3, I bet that is the meteorite. Yeah, that's the meteorite. A, that must be this bomb, this mine here. And C, what's C? Don't tell me it was going to release a virus. Was it going to release a virus? Drop something else. Right, okay. So, okay, collision, right. When we do the scoring, here we go, scoring. But it's identified the element there. So when we do the scoring, see, it's initiating a pod drop, right? So I'm going to rem that out. I think that's getting in the way. Right, let's do that again. I think that's getting in the way. I think it's initiating a pod drop at the exact point, and it's overriding our index. So bang, right. So keep going. 7C. That's better. Right, so the initiating of the pod is overriding our index. Right, okay, so how are we going to do it? So it's the last throw of the dice of the pod where it throws something at you, yeah? But the problem is, what's happening is the initiating the pod. So if we go to the aliens and we do pods, I think that's up, isn't it? Here we go, pods. When we initiate initiate a pod drop, right? We're copying the element to the tent. So we're overriding where our bullet is, yeah? We're literally overriding where the bullet is. And so that's why the bullet carries on, because we don't update it. So we're going to have to do the bullet update before anything else. But we can't. We'll have to create a second. We'll have to create a second one. But let me explain what I'm on about. Because we're doing bricks.insert or thingy.insert, this variable gets overwritten, yeah? Because that's the new index of the thing. And so it gets overwritten. So what we need to do is, when we've identified this, we need to store it away so we can pull it back, yeah? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer X into A. Ooh, do I put it on the stack and then pull it back? Yeah, I'll put it on the stack. Let me put it on the stack. Transfer X into A. Push it to the stack, and then here. Yeah, I suppose. I mean, we've got a temp. I think we've got a temp somewhere. I think we got 3 temp variables that we're not using. I mean, we could use these. Temporary storage, we'll use that. That's what it's named for. Store X into storage. temp storage. So we'll store that away, and then we'll load it back here, just in case the pod does drop, because the pod was definitely dropping something. Right, now we've got to sort out the bullet problem. And I'm just thinking, this is where we, let's just reacquaint ourselves with the bullet. Collision, so X and Y. We've got an index for the bullet, haven't we? Execute bullet. So we definitely know what the index is, because it is here, alien array index. So we definitely hit something. What was it? What did I call it? We must be running through an array. So it must... Where did I put that? Initialize bullet, find, insert bullet, draw bullet. Bullet movement, here we go. It's bullet movement. This is it. So it runs through the array, and our array is there. We may have to have a bullet element, I think. I think we're going to have to have a bullet element to avoid the overwrite. So it's similar to this sort of thing, but it's going to be for bullet. So we'll do the same thing. We'll basically do the same thing. Right, so we'll call this bullet. So we don't need that. We need the character. Do we need the... What have we got? X, Y, char. X, Y, char. That's all we need. So we're loading... So we must have copied... No, we're not. Right. So grab that, put that there, and put that there. That stores it away. Update bullet array. So we need to change update bullet array to use now the here. So it's going to be that, that, and that. Right. So now we don't... Let's find every point that we use the element. Yeah. So collision is we're storing it against... Get the character from the screen, we store it away, and then we're comparing it with us. But that is now that. Right. So then we do that, 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 that. We load that. Possible reflector. That is not the thing we're testing. This is the thing that we're testing. Is it a reflected bullet? Yeah, okay. Creates a reflected bullet, puts it away. Okay. This is doing all that. Boxer's fine. Here, this is the one. So, bad guy, we're putting it in bullet now. But we don't need to now. And we don't need to do that because we can do it at the end. Because we still need to check. But, hang on. We've got screen X and screen Y. So yeah, we can do that now. We can do that. We don't need to do that because we've got a new storage place for it. And we don't need to do that. And this alien element array index, that is not the right thing. Movement, where's movement? Oh, it is. Alien M, that's it, okay. So then we load it and then update the bullet. But, I think we're doing it now on the way out. Is bullet in that one? Yes, it is. So we're doing it on the way out. Where's the execution? Here we go. Collision. So if we get rid of that, we're doing it on the way out. Yeah. So we don't need to do it here now. We can just say accept it for collision and then do it here. That updates the bullet. Right. All things being equal, this should work. All things being equal. Now, I'm going to say we're waiting for them to split. Oh, now we're not throwing any bullets out. We're not throwing any bullets out. Are we oh, we're using it there as well. Hang on. Yeah, we're doing it there. But hang on, why are we using that? Insert into. Find empty bullet slot. See, that's bullet as well. Find an empty bullet slot. Let's just make sure I've not got any more elements in there. That's bullet, 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 bullet. Where's that? Here we go. So that finds an empty bullet shot. And then we do that. Okay, so where's insert? Oh dear. So that's fine, but that's right. Okay, so we don't need to do this. That's not needed. That's bullet. That's bullet. That's bullet. That's bullet. And same with those two. Right. Bullet, 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 bullet. Execute. So this is bullet now. Bullet. Just make sure we get them all. Right. Oh, what do you mean bullet? Oh, we don't have a bullet type now, do we? We don't have a bullet type. Oh, hang on. I rang the wrong one. Come on, split. Come on, split. Oh, it's going up. Oh, you're joking me. I thought we had it. I thought we had it. I thought we had it. What are we doing there? We're updating Sommer. That's for the explosion. That's for the conversion. Let's put a breakpoint there. Let's find out if it's doing it. Oh, I didn't think this would be taking so much time. I didn't think this would be taking so much time. I just hit the wrong key. Oh dear. Oh, I've done it again. Fire. Stop dropping stuff. Oh, you. Stop dropping stuff. I'm trying to kill things. Oh, the builder got in the way. Oh, something went wrong there. Oh, we are no longer moving. We are no longer moving. Oh, joystick's failing. Let's restart that because the joystick's not working. Right. Let's go to 9,000. This is the one we're looking at. That one there. Right, that should be the LDX. What's it picking up as? Oh, what? It's picking up one. Well, that's wrong for a kickoff. Identify what's in the element. I'm just wondering if I'm using the wrong. What's the matter, Nico? Where's locating the array? Oh, I'm in bullet, aren't I? Elements. There we go. So we're storing it in there. Right, okay. That's what was going wrong. So that's where we're looking at there, that one. Right, load 41, should be 31. It's 1. Why is it 1? Identify what's in the array. Right. Identify what's in the array. Locate in the array, which is here. Set carry. Right, I'm going to put a breakpoint there. I want to see what it's coming back with. I don't know why it should be, and why can't I spell? Oh, this is annoying me. Right, go to 9,000. This is the number we're looking at. Yeah, that's the number we're looking for. Right. Oh, it's gone back. Right, I should be able to hit it now. Here we go. Right, load 7F. Load X 7F. 31. There we go. Store it. Load. Let's see if it's changed. It did. So we're using it somewhere else. So we can't use that. Can't use that variable, so we're going to have to create another one. Yeah, I'm not too sure if we're using that for the counter in the IRQ. Hang on. Let's just check. Doesn't seem like it. Okay, we'll try it. We'll try it. We'll rim that out just in case, and we'll use that. Right, I'm going to help matters a little bit. I am going to, in the execute, I am going to rem that out so it doesn't drop any bits. Try and make life a little bit easier so we don't have to wait for it. Right. Right, so go 9,000. Right, this is the fella that we're interested in, that one there. Yeah, that's the one that we're interested in. Trust the asteroid to get in the way. There we go. Right, so load X is 31. And in fact, X was already set. So we might not need to load it. So F11. Do we load 31? Yes. Right. We're getting somewhere. Now, I don't believe I need to do that. I don't believe I need to do that. Now, we're going to check to make sure it updates the array, yeah? So, here we go again. While it's booting up. So, this 2 hit, yeah? This 2 or 4, well, that point there should turn to an FF when I shoot the pod. Here we go. Oh, it moved out the way. Got you. Right. So, load X, that should be 31. It is. Now we're going to store that. Now, is it going to store... Did it store FF? No, it didn't. No, it didn't. And that's why it's not clearing out. Right. So, we have got a routine called JSR elements dot clear array element. So if I go to element and go to, I think it's right at the bottom, clear array element. Yeah. So we'll do that. No, it goes red. When you write, it goes red. Blue is when it's blue when you read it. Red is when you store. Yeah. So we should clear it out and then we should update it. So hopefully this is going to fix it and we can move on. See you, Stacy. Yeah, I'll see you at the pie games. Right, so that's the one we're interested in, that one there. That should go to FF when we hit it. Oh, and I pressed the space bar. I pressed the space bar. Ugh. It's not going well today. Come on, shield. Come on. Oh, he's going down, so... Here we go. Oh, have I missed it? Oh, no. Right. So, stores bad guy, load 31. Yes. Now we should save FF in that. There it is. Oh, we're on a winner. We are on a winner. Then that does the explosion. So if I do F11. And the crowd goes wild. Sort of. Maybe. Right. So we'll put that back in. And we remmed out something else, didn't we? Scoring. Give myself some. I will endeavour to do that. Right, scoring. I think doing that. Right. So basically, we were suffering from overwriting in our temporary space. We was putting the bullet in there, and then we overwrote it because of the pod initiating other things when it dies. Right, let's see. Does it now work? Right, do we blow it up? Oh, and I've left the breakpoint in. Go. And it's gone. Right, let's take that breakpoint out because that's going to be very annoying. Bullet. Where is it? Still there. Oh, wrong one. Right. There we go. Got rid of it. And it did the score as well. 1,000 points. Right. So the only other thing we've got to do, we've got to put the asteroids in because we've not actually put the asteroids in. So when we go to 9, we've got no asteroids. We need to put the asteroids in. We haven't even coded them. Elements, aliens. Here we go. I don't think we've coded the asteroids. We've got draw asteroids. So there's the floaters, swoopers, buzzers, meteors, boxers, mines, pods, virus, bricks, reflectors, bombs, builders, explosion. No asteroids. No asteroids. Right, let's see if we can find initiate astro. Oh, didn't we call it that? Have I spelt it wrong? Oh, look! This is it. I typed it originally. Right. So that's the initiate. So let's grab that. Let's grab that. Right. So Oids? Is that his... I want to get it right before you guys... Oops. Oh dear. Dyslexic and proud. Right. So this is going to be insert. So that's going to be... Ooh. So, do we have that? Yes, we do. Total number of asteroids for the level. Okay. Right, let's get rid of the junk. Right, I think that's utils, isn't it? Yeah, yeah. Elements dot insert into array. Right. Okay. That's what it should be. Right. That's what it shouldn't be. Oh. Oh, so I have. Okay. Okay. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Right, okay, so let's see. So we load the number of asteroids. Is it not equal to 0? If it's not equal to 0, then we are going to initiate a big asteroid. Initiate element. Because we're already an asteroid, so... Well, we'll just call it initiate. Nine 959 has another way of spelling it. Oh, right, okay. I've got rid of it now. Right. So, we initiate. We've determined that we've got space for another asteroid. We're going to initiate it, so we're going to store the colour. Now, the colour determines the type of asteroid, I think. So we do the asteroid to top left. It's an asteroid. It's going to be stationary to start with, but then goes down. Oh, so we start. Oh, right, okay. It's going to be 0, 0, and then it's set it to go down. Right. Then we work out where it's going to be on the x-axis, which is that. Insert into the array, decrease. Right. But how do we initiate it? How do we initiate it? Where is that? Where's that called from? Well, that goes nowhere. There. Do we... Ah, right. Are we? Here we go. Do we add flying rock? There it is. It's definitely in elements. Do we have flying rock? There. That's the one. So that is now our initiate, isn't it? I'm just wondering if we should call it add. I mean, we called it add for meteor, haven't we? Oh, they've got a different one. We'll call it add. We'll call it add. We'll try and keep it the same. We'll try and keep it the same. So it's add. So aliens dot asteroid dot add. Right, so we should. No, I'm not too sure if I've got aliens here. No, I haven't. Put aliens there. Now we've got a draw. This is the asteroid draw. Yeah. So I think we should grab this. And add it here as draw. So we don't need that now. So we need to find the draw routine. That's in there. Right, draw bullets. Here we go. Elements draw. Drawing elements. So here we go. So that's no longer that. That is now dot asteroids dot draw. Right. Execution. Execution. So we need to find the execution. That looks fine. That does. Right. Let's find. Asteroid movement. So this is the execution. Well, not a lot went there, did it? Right, let's get rid of. Well, that's wrong. It's now that. Let's get rid of all the junk first before we try and remember. Now this is an RTS, we know that for a fact. Right, so elements dot update array. Okay. Process direction. Yeah. This is the one. Was that in utils or was it in here? Bet that's in utils. There, utils. Right, so we should be able to activate these now, and they're in elements, aren't they? Just make sure. Called it asteroids. We'll grab that just to make sure. Welcome back, mate. Welcome back. Never mind. Yep, you haven't missed much. Honest. We're just putting in the asteroids in now. Right, I'll just make sure that's spelt correctly. There is another asteroid namespace bit above. Where? We'll find it, mate. If it'll error if it's wrong. Right. Okay. So we've now put the asteroids in, which we didn't have before. I've put it in the execution table. I better put it in the insert table, hadn't I? Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Right. Oh, I really should put those in, I suppose. Oh. Do I need to add it to the scoring table? Oh, yes. Yes. Scoring. Oh, it's getting really complicated now. Really complicated. Scoring. Let's just see if it's done. Well, we've got it in there. Let's see. We need to work... Ah, I see what you mean. Here we go. That's asteroids. I did spell it right, didn't I? Oh, there we go. Missed an S. Right. Okay, so we still need to figure out what this put in screen cell is. Let's go and find what that's doing. Place a character on the screen. Place what character on the screen? Place what character? Okay. Place what character? Because that's right. Put in place character on screen. Okay. So that's taking A and X. That's taking A and X, which is there. Accumulator is the character, X is the colour. Works out the screen position. But A and X is... I don't think that's needed. I don't think that's needed. I don't know why it would be I don't know. Right. So that would be the floaters, and that would be the swoopers. Right. Let's see what it's doing. Let's see what it's doing. So I need to get rid of the first level first. Oh, we're cheating, aren't we? We're cheating. Let's put it back to what it was. There we go. Right, so A is 9, X is 0. A is 9. So 9, character 9. What's character 9? I think that's a bug. I think that's a bug in the game. I think that's a bug in the game. Because that doesn't make sense. But we'll step through it. Oh, he adds to work out the row. There we go. Yeah, I have no idea what that's for. Makes no sense. Yeah. I have been reversing a game from the past week and a half. I know now how frustrating a little whoops can be. Yeah. Well, I think that in the scoring, that piece of code in the scoring, I think that is just dead code. I think that's just irrelevant, because here the X and Y would be changed. So we'll just take it out. I think that is just old code. Right. Right then. Did we test to see if the asteroids worked? Let's try. Oh, the code will run. The code will run because it's the destruction code and the scoring code, so it'll run. Aliens 997. Wow, 1,000 lines of code in Aliens. Who would have thought it? Who would have thought it? Right, let's try that again. Oh, it's add, isn't it? It's the only one that's add. Maybe that's why that was rammed out. Okay. Right, so let's put that back in. Put that back in. Maybe that's why they weren't put in. Amazed now you forget when you've done something. Right, I think those are two asteroids on top of each other. But we're not killing them. This should be the asteroid level. This should be the asteroid level. Hello? Random function. Okay, so we are not adding asteroids. Are we actually firing the function? Oh, I've just done that and I didn't. Oh, it's not complaining. Oh, no one's on. Right, put a breakpoint in there. Well, it's running through it. So load 84. 0. Zero. Right. So, there must be something that we're missing when it adds. Yeah, I think that's what we're missing. I'm just trying to find where it's there. So this is where we're adding the bad guys. But it shouldn't really be adding the. It should be just running. Where's the pot? Oh, where's the meteors? Where's the top number? Right, let's go to there. All right, so that's the insert. Okay. That is the same function as meteors, isn't it? That's the same functions of meteors. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, it's the same function as meteors, but it's using asteroids instead. Yeah, total number of asteroids. So we need to copy this and put it in the asteroid one. Right, let's get rid of that. Paste that in there. But this is total number of asteroids. That one. Right, let's change that to insert. Insert. Right. Try again. Oh, there we go. Do that again. Was there anything special in the scoring for asteroids? No, it's just adding. Was there anything special in the bullets for asteroid when we do the collision? No. No. Okay, let's try that again. I was just wondering why it didn't kill the asteroids to start with. God, gonna have to do something about the clearing out though. Yeah, it looks like they're on top of each other, yeah. Right. So we'll do this one first. Right. That's one. And we got 300, look. Yeah. 2, 600. 900. 12. But there was no explosions for those that were underneath. Look at that. I wonder why it's... Where's the ad? Where's the ad? Why is it putting them on the same X? So this is the... Oh, hang on. What's this doing? Number cycler. And it with 1F. Compare it with 14. Okay. We need to add our constants into here. Because I think 14 is 20. 14 is 20, isn't it? Screen width, yeah, exactly, mate, exactly. So we need here. So we need a way of. So 1F is. So we need a filter, don't we? Yeah, 31. So we definitely need a filter. So in 40, that's 32, isn't it? 128, 64, 32. 16. So it's that. Right. So dimensions dot screen dot get rid of that. Yeah. And then we would be testing it with a number of columns. So dimensions dot screen dot number of columns. So that should... Why are you like that? There's not a syntax error there. Oh yeah, they're too wide, aren't they? Yeah, they're too wide. Good call, mate. Good call. Good call. So we got the filter on. That should now spread them. That should now spread it. Let's try it. Let's see. Does it spread them now evenly? That's better. There's a lot on that one. I'm not sure this is working. I don't think it's killing them. Right. It's registering it, but it's not killing them. Right, let's have a look at the array for that. Right, let's go to so these are, here we go, they're off. So according to this, it's only put 2. Oh, there we go, there's the others. So let's stop it. This is where you find the max array size full of them on top of each other, yeah. Right. So let's see. It's the X's that are the problem. I mean, we've got one there. Why have we got one there? Let me just load that up again. Right, where does that one come from? Straight away, the first one. Right, so we've got a problem that we've got one there, yeah? No, it shouldn't be there because it starts at the back. It's like a stack array. So this is a problem, but that came up first, isn't it? Let's load it up again. This came up first before the ones at the back of the array started. There. Oh, in fact, it didn't. Oh, it did. It did. Second one. It was the second one. Right. We need to look at that. So this is working it out. So it was here. So it's that. So it was the second one. So I'm going to put a breakpoint here. And then we'll run through it. So just waiting for it. There you go. Right. So this is now going to insert into the array, yeah? So now we're going to go and find an empty slot. So it starts at 31. Loads that. There you go. So it's read that FF. It's gone and said, oh, yeah, that's equal. That's the number I want. And then stores it away. And then goes back. It's carry set. So now we're going to set it. 0, 0, CA, hey up, 40, 0, 01, and then this is the type, which is 8. There we go. So that's done it. So that's added that one in the right place. So we'll F11 to get the second one. But look, it didn't break again. Now it's broke again. Ooh. That's not looping round, is it? Insert into the array. That. Let's do that again, because that inserted 2 when it shouldn't have done. It should have only inserted 1. Right. Go 9000. Right, so this is our array down to hits. This is the fire, which we're not messing around with at the moment. Right, so F10. Find a place, please. It's read the last one. Yes, thank you very much. And we will fill it up. Decrease 84, return. Okay, what's this one doing? Now it's resetting, it's doing the timers, resetting the timers, put a breakpoint there, load 9-1, why is it looking down there? DX. Why is it looking there? Whoa. Right, okay. That's done an update. That's done an update, and the index was 0. So that was doing an update. So I'm just wondering if there's something going on here. And of course something would be going off there. John, what are you doing, mate? Oh, I've just remembered. I've just remembered. What do we not need to do? What do we not need to do is that. Right, that looks like it's done it. Right, so this is putting the first one in. There you go. So it puts the first one in. Okay, F11. There you go. Now it's putting the second one in. Third one. Fourth one. And they're going in the right place. Right. Let's take that breakpoint out. And we will see if we have any problems with the killing them off. Here we go. Yes. So we got a problem with the there's more than there's more than 2 asteroids, isn't there? Because we're testing asteroid 1 and asteroid 2, but I think there's more than 2 asteroids. I think there's more than 2 asteroids. I think we have different asteroids. Yeah, I think there's I think there's more than 2 asteroids. Let's cheat. Aston, you better not pee downstairs, mate, or there'll be trouble. Right, let's cheat. Let's go straight into the asteroid level on here. So there's definitely different asteroids there, but are they different in... Right, let's hit this one. No, that's fine. Okay. Yeah, there's definitely different shapes. Let's see if we can work this out. Right, is there a way of knowing what that character is? No, there isn't. I'd have to look here. Right, so 40. Right, so we got 44, 41. 46, 43. Right, let's see any more come up. Right, what are they? So at the top of the screen again, 41. Oh, 40, 41. So we got 40, 41. And what's the next one? It's 40, 45. And then the belows are 46, 47. And 46, 43. So it's a mixture. It's a mixture of the 4 characters. Right, so it's a mixture of the 4 characters. So let's find out if we are testing. Right, so we'll put a breakpoint here because this will be the where we're. So and we'll put a breakpoint here, just in case we don't hit it properly. Yeah, it did. It used the color code to define the type. So we need to make sure that we're hitting the right spot. Let's do this. So fire. See, that didn't trigger the right. It's triggered the collision then. That's triggered the top collision, that has. But look, it's not. Yeah. So, I'm just trying to understand why it didn't say that that was an explosion. So let's fire at it again. So it's done the collision. So it's now reorientating to where it should be. Now it's going to try and find it. So it's clearing out the 2 cells. Oh, I don't need to go through that, do I? But it's only clearing out 3. Yeah, it's clearing out the 3 cells, right? 1, 2, 3, because the last cell is where the explosion should be. So it comes out, and then it comes here. So we're setting. Oh, there. There. Can you see it? Right. I wonder if that's to do with it. No, it can't be, because we're supposed to be identifying here. Right, let's put a breakpoint there. It should be identifying there. So we know this is working. We know it's picking it up. That's setting the bullet to be disappeared. Getting ahead of myself. Right, where are you? Oh, I hit the wrong key. Oh dear. Right, fire. I was going to say, where's that stopped? Right, so this is where it's trying to identify are... So it should find it pretty quick because that was the first one on the screen. So here we go, load, get the first one, should be character 0, it is. Right, load 57. Oh, compare with 57. That's saying, oh, that's saying it's equal. Okay, must be 0 then, okay. But I didn't see, oh, it's Z, isn't it? 0, yeah, okay. Load 32, which is 8, that's 8th row down. Compare it with 58, is equal as well. Okay. Load 7A is 0. Now, branch of plus. So we've got X at 31, load, compare it with FF, branch of not equal. So we're storing it back. Storing what back though? Maybe I need to do 2 lines there. Because we haven't done any changing. We didn't do any changing. Ooh. Annoying, annoying, annoying. It's here. We located in the array and then we came back out, didn't we? We did come back out, didn't we? No, we didn't. Ooh. Right. Load the first one. That should go all the way through, which it is. Right. This is loading it into the array. Okay. Store 31 in 70. Say we found it. We come back out. Right. So we found it. Store X there. Now we're doing the scoring. So load 5B, which is CA, store it in 64. Load 5F, which is 08. Store it there. Jump. Here we go. So load 40, which is 8. Load the low byte, store it. Load the high byte, store it. Jump. Right, this is asteroids. Doing the 100. Doing another 100. Doing another 100. We know this does because we see the score go up. Check to see if we've beaten the score. Oh. We set, say it's done it. Branch of carry set. Oh. We didn't convert it. It didn't convert it at all. it did not convert. It did the score and then just jumped straight past it. Right. Score. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh. Sorry. No, it's just... Oh. Right. Do we blow up? Right. Start with this one. And then this one. Oh, I just don't believe it. I just don't believe. You know, it's those moments where you think, oh, really? I've done something so stupid. Yeah, increase the score and then return out before you set the carry. Oh dear. Oh, this is going to be fun, isn't it? Anyway. Clipped for prosperity. No. No. Oh dear. Oh dear. You've got to laugh. You got to laugh. And you got to laugh or you just cry. Creates two more. Yeah. Oh dear. I wanted to do so much today. I wanted to fix the bugs, and then I wanted to create a Vic version. I wanted to do the Vic version to see, but hey ho. You know, it's yeah, it's. I think on that note, I might end the stream. Still. Oh dear. Right. Let's put some comments in here. Yeah, it's the joys of programming. The OSK glitch. Right. What I want to do on the next stream is now we've got the basic mechanics sort of working. I want to what's it called? De-evolve back to the VIC-20. Yeah. See if we can evolve it into the C128. Then try out the sound. Let's get some sound going. Then test for ship destruction. Implement shield mechanics. The sound is the last thing. Well, I mean, the sound's simple on this, so we should be able to do this. We should be able to emulate the same noises. Hopefully, we should be able to emulate the same noises. Yeah, it's just the range would be a lot bigger. Yeah, so the range would be a lot bigger. Implement shield mechanics. Yeah, attract mode, yeah. What else is there? Oh yeah. Wave transition. Leveling up. Oh yeah, there's the demo mode, isn't there? Demo mode. 600 kilobytes for compression. Yeah. Right. So what I want to do is I want to test that we can make the VIC version work. Yeah. There's not a lot in there. That we've got quite a lot of the directives in place, so we'd need to work out where we're going to put the character set, work out the demo mode, last thing, sort out the screen dimensions, check that the boundaries are right. We also need we cannot go away while that's still doing this, so we'll do that now. Where is it? Here we go. Here, right, so LDA, where is it? Yeah, stopping and drop at the edges, so might as well do that now while we're here. So screen left most. It's always going to be 0, isn't it? It's always going to be 0. Leftmost column is always going to be 0. Right. Branch if equal to, we're not going to add it. And then compare it with dimensions. dot playable is playable area, isn't it? Dot rightmost column. Rightmost column. Is 40. Oh, that's not right, is it? Rightmost column won't be 40. Because it'd be 0 to 39. So that's going to be -1. Yeah. So if the element x is 0, we're not going to do it. If the element x is 39 or 22 or whatever column thing is the last one, then it's not going to do it. Right, let's just do a quick test on that before I say ta-ra. Right, so go back to the pods and we'll see here we go, the builder's off. So we shouldn't see any bricks on the side. Well, we've got 2 at the extremes, but there's been none put there, so I think that's nailed that. I do think that has nailed that. There's none on the extremes. Right, that's that sorted. That's that sorted. So we should be able to clear out the level now instead of leaving artifacts behind on the edge. Yeah, finish on a good result. After that, however long, looking at it. Oh dear. That clip is gonna haunt me now for the rest of my streaming career. One, two, three. There was 3 bricks on top of each other there. Right. So yeah, I want to. So like I say, on the next stream, on the next time we're in, I want to see if we can get this working in a VIC 20 sense, yeah, and then go the other way and see if we can do the 128. Now the 128 should be pretty easy, right? It should be pretty easy. It's almost identically the same as the C64. If that's the case, we might do a C16 and try and get that up and running just in nothing special, just, you know, just to try and see if the mechanics still work, the screens are still going, and then we can start hitting all the other stuff like the sound, start testing that the ship's destructed, implement the shield mechanics. Now it's stacking them because what it's doing, it's created another instance of the brick, so it's added it to the array. So what happens is when we blow it up, it finds the first one in the array and says, right, that's mine, blow it up, yeah, or tag it, and then it blows it up. But the problem is then when we hit the next one, that's the further on in the array, and then it tags that one. That's why I was saying there was 3 on that last column, because we had three sets of explosions before it disappeared. So it's stacking, but that's what the original game did. Because we're using the same mechanics, we've just implemented them in a different way. But yeah, so I'm going to say thank you for watching. Somebody's in my code, right? Didn't you spot it, Mikroman? Didn't you spot it? Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I will see you on Friday when we start the Pi game version of this, and we'll have a bit of fun. We'll have a bit of fun having some Python and Pi game. All right. Well, thank you very much, guys. It's been a pleasure, and I will see you in the next stream. Take care. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.